Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel we talk about digital marketing, how to make more sales online, and everything in between. So if these are things you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video we'll be talking about how to remove image backgrounds. So you might need to remove the background of your images for whatever reason it may be. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do that. Simple. It's so easy guys, so easy. So for this you're going to need a browser. I'll be using my Chrome browser here. So when you go to Chrome, when you go to your Chrome browser, you search remove.bg. remove.bg, that's the name of the website we'll be using to remove the image backgrounds. So when you've opened remove.bg, you are going to it's going to take you to this home page. You're going to see here upload image. So this is where you upload the image you want to remove the background. Guys, it's so easy. So just click on remove, select image, so browse. I'll go ahead and select the image that I want. So okay, I want to remove this. So it's uploading and it's going to automatically remove the image background. Like, it's so easy. So this background, this image now has a transparent background, so you can place it on any design you want. You can use it to design anything you want. So the next thing you have to do is to click on download. So when you click on download, the image has already been downloaded. So now so let's check it out. So to check it out, we'll go to Canva so that you see that the background is no longer there for real. Like, it's no longer there. So let's wait for it to load. So Canva is a really helpful graphic design app. It has pre-built templates for you to design your own social media posts, flyers, anything you want. Guys, you really need to check out this app. So I don't really want to design anything here. I just want to show you guys that the image background is really gone. So I'll just maybe design something, I guess. Just do something to actually show us that the background is gone. So it's loaded. Now let me just I guess I'm not really making any design, just want to show you guys. Okay, so click the plus sign to add any form of elements, be it shapes, pictures, text, anything you want to design within the app. So if you guys want to learn how to use Canva, you can just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make more videos teaching you how to use Canva to design your graphics. So I'll just go back to gallery. So here is our image. Let's go ahead and select it. Nice. So you see guys, the image now has a transparent background, so you can use this for any of your designs. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like and share. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.